Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to translate mail in Gmail to any language. Very easy tutorial. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do is to open up your Gmail app. So I'm going to click on here, open my Gmail app. Just like so. After you open up your Gmail app, it's load up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply select a particular mail that you want to translate to any language. Let's, for instance, I want to translate this particular mail right here. This mail here, what you need to do is to simply click on the mail, and the mail here is in English language. Now, if you want to translate to another language that you really understand, what you need to do is to simply click on these three dots right here, and you see translate section. So simply click on translate. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on this setting icon. Then it takes you right here. You have from English to another language right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on the language you want. So let's, for instance, I want to translate this from English to Hindi. So I will simply select Hindi right here. And then automatically everything will be translated into Hindi, just like what you see right here. And it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to translate mail in Gmail to any language without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.